Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to successfully recover your Genshin Impact account. So if you haven't already made a Genshin Impact account, it's a pretty cool game. You definitely should play it. So basically I have made couple videos into signing up and logging in into Genshin Impact, but if in case you forgot the password in Genshin Impact account, this is the perfect video for you. So first of all, go to any browser you want and go to genshin.mihoyo.com. Once you have done that, on this page on the top right, as you can see, there is a login button. Click on it, and finally this window should pop up, and on the bottom of this pop-up right below the login button there is this having problems question right here. You want to click on that, and finally once you have clicked on that, it is going to ask you for your username or your email. Go ahead and add any one of those. I'm going with my email right now, and once you've entered your email or your username, click on next. Once you have done that, you will have to slide this puzzle piece to where it belongs, so go ahead and do that. And finally, it's going to forward you to this page right here where you'll have to click on this send code button. And once you have done that, drag this puzzle one more time, and finally go to your Gmail account, and Genshin Impact should have sent a one-time password. Copy that and paste it here on the verification code tab, and finally click on this next button right here, and now it will ask you to create a new password. Go ahead and do that, and then finally confirm your password down here. And once you have done both of that, go ahead and click on this confirm button to confirm your password change. And congratulations, you have successfully recovered your Genshin Impact account. And for more videos like this, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.